7, 8. Tonight we hairbrush to the shoulders. To shoulder, sweetheart. Then out. And then to a little high five. Into sweet chicken on the left. Then sweetheart on the right. Then a figure 8 facing for a double hairbrush. And then a to the right into a sassy cuddle dip. You could spin them out twice if you want. And then free spin probably is what I would do exactly. All right, back to close, right? Where we can dance all nice and tight and closed if you want. Not really moving our feet if the dance floor is too packed. Always fun. And you can juxtapose that with just some bigger movements suddenly if you have room, right? Yeah.